Good morning, my friends. This morning, let's briefly talk about our way of thinking and how that affects our reality. Now, believe it or not, it all begins with how we choose to think. You see, my friends, many people undervalue the power of their own thoughts and their ability to change their lives. The idea behind the adage, and I quote, it all starts with how you choose to think, end quote, is that our thoughts have a major impact on our demeanor, our actions, and of course, our outcomes. So, take for example, spiritual development, which entails establishing and strengthening ties to one's own inner divinity. This basically shows that critical thinking is crucial. Now, suppose an individual believes in divine omnipresence and chooses to constantly ponder over divine qualities, such as love, compassion, and generosity. This person, my friends, is more likely to develop these traits further over time, expanding their spirituality, of course. Now, for someone else who might decide to wallow in feelings of anger and discontent, these ideas could lead that person further away from spiritual development by increasing their anger and discontent. This also demonstrates the power of our thoughts and how they can either foster or impede our development as spiritual beings. So, therefore, the significance of one's thoughts and ways of thinking extend far beyond the realm of just spirituality. So, let's say, for instance, you're in a professional setting where you view a challenging task as an insurmountable obstacle. A person's development and motivation can be stunned by the persistent pessimism. On the other hand, if they choose to view the assignment as a chance for personal and professional development, they may find that their performance improves significantly. Now, in closing, my friends, we plant the beliefs and values that guide our lives in the soil of our minds, so to speak. Now, any area of our lives can benefit from the deliberate practice of thinking positively, demonstrating the transformative potential of the human mind. So, therefore, it is correct that our mental framework sets the stage for the rest of our lives. Yeah, man. Think positively. A word to the wise.